Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice roni. First, let's get everything ready. You'll need 1 box of your favorite rice roni, 2 tablespoons of butter or margarine, and 2 1/3 cups of water. A medium-sized saucepan with a lid is perfect for cooking. Begin by melting the 2 tablespoons of butter or margarine in your saucepan over medium heat. This initial step sets the stage for a delicious meal. Once your butter is melted and shimmering, it's time to add the rice and pasta mix from the Rice Roni box. Pour it directly into the saucepan. Now, stir this mixture constantly over medium heat. You'll want to continue stirring for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until the pasta pieces and rice grains turn a beautiful golden brown. This browning step is crucial for developing a deep, nutty flavor in your finished dish. After browning, carefully pour in the 2 1/3 cups of water. Then, add the entire seasoning packet from the box. Stir everything together well to combine the seasoning. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the saucepan tightly with its lid, and let it simmer undisturbed for exactly 15 minutes. This gentle simmer allows the rice to absorb the liquid and cook thoroughly. Once the 15 minutes of simmering are complete, remove the saucepan from the heat. Keep the lid on and let the rice roni stand for an additional 5 minutes. This resting period allows the steam to finish cooking the rice and ensures a perfect texture. Finally, remove the lid and gently fluff the rice with a fork. Your delicious rice roni is now ready to be served as a wonderful side dish or a flavorful base for your meal. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.